Is your Wi-Fi missing from your Windows 11 or Windows 10? If so, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step solutions to quickly fix the issue and get your Wi-Fi option back. So, let's get started. First, press and hold the power button on your PC for about 35 to 40 seconds. Even after the screen turns off, keep holding it down until you reach 40 seconds. Then, release the power button and wait for 5 seconds before turning your PC back on. Finally, once your PC restarts, check if the Wi-Fi option is now available. If your Wi-Fi is still missing, don't worry. Let's move on to the next method. To begin, press Windows plus X and select Device Manager from the list. Then, expand Network Adapters and look for your Wi-Fi adapter. If it's disabled, right-click on it and select Enable. Once enabled, check if your Wi-Fi appears. But if it's still not working, let's try another method. First, open Settings and navigate to System. Next, scroll down and select Troubleshoot. Then click on Other Troubleshooters. Now, find Network and Internet and click Run. After that, follow the on-screen instructions to detect and fix any network issues. If this didn't solve the problem, don't worry. The next method might help. First, open Device Manager by pressing Windows plus X and select Device Manager. Next, expand Network Adapters and look for your Wi-Fi adapter in the list. Then, right-click on it and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. If updating doesn't work, close this window. Then, right-click on your Wi-Fi adapter and select Uninstall Device. Check the box that says Delete the driver software for this device. Then click Uninstall. Then, restart your PC. Windows will automatically reinstall the necessary drivers. Now, check if your Wi-Fi is back. If not, let's try resetting your network settings. First, go to Settings. Then navigate to Network and Internet. Next, scroll down and select Advanced Network Settings. Then, click on Network Reset. Finally, click Reset Now, then confirm by clicking Yes when prompted. Once the process is complete, restart your computer by clicking the Start menu, selecting Power, and then clicking Restart. Once your PC restarts, reconnect to your Wi-Fi network by selecting it from the available networks. Enter your password if required, then check if the issue is resolved. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these solutions worked for you. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech fixes. Also, let me know in the comments which method solved your issue. See you in the next video.